Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a hot mess in this room. This room has been the catch-all. So obviously this video is pre-filmed, and I'm basically going to clean it up and make this right here, switch it up. I'm actually going to put a Hocus Pocus Christmas tree up. Yep, I am planning on keeping that up until after Christmas. That is the plan. But this is actually before my daughter's birthday, even though you guys have already seen those videos. This is before her birthday. I just want to clean up, and since I'm gonna do a deep clean, I might as well, you know, get it started and going. So I have so much of my daughter's birthday stuff here, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move my laundry, and then I'll go ahead and start filming and show you guys everything I need to get done. Before we get started, don't forget to grab your coffee, your water, whatever you are drinking, and let's get started. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Really quickly, let me actually show you what inspired this. I'm so sorry, they're actually building a whole garage like 2 houses down, so you might hear that. I'm sorry, but there's really nothing I can do about it. I can't be like, yo, can you stop? I wonder if I could. That'd be so funny. Anyways, let me put my mic on. Maybe that will help. Okay, so I'm hoping that the mic actually helps. Really, Ice Machine? Are you serious right now? I need to turn you off anyways. All right, so I'm hoping that the mic kind of helps. So let me go ahead and grab the stuff. Well, I'm supposed to be cleaning and not making more of a mess. OMG. Okay, so what really started this was I saw this tree on Amazon, right? And it really looked like, you know, Hocus Pocus vibes. So obviously I picked it up. And then I saw these guys on Temu, so I obviously picked that up too. Got this at Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree right now. A1. So I got some bulbs. I'm so excited. I've never done a Halloween Christmas tree. I really was in between this and Nightmare Before Christmas. And then honestly, it just kind of won. So Hocus Pocus, because I already have so much stuff. So it's just going to work out perfectly. Yeah, this is all from Dollar Tree, guys. So yeah. I also got this one that says, actually it says Hocus Pocus. It was like their $5 section. I'm excited to put this. I gotta make sure I have like the hookup and everything though. I got this guy, which is just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. This was also in the $5 section. I got two of these. I also picked up black bulbs. And then my husband actually gave me the lights and I just threw them in there. So that is like really all I picked up recently new. Everything else, I have 2 bins full of haul and Halloween stuff. But first we got to clean everything up and make sure, you know, I could really get this going. You can't really decorate if it's not clean, right? So I'm actually thinking about moving this. I moved this last year, if you were here for Christmas, and I put it on this side of the room. I think I'm gonna actually put it somewhere else. I might regret this, but we will see together. Let's get started. All right, guys, here I am starting out by taking everything down from the towers, the Funkos, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them all down as well. I used to clean this very often, but it's really hard now with my toddler, so I did have to do a little bit more scrubbing, unfortunately. I do want to attach these to the walls as soon as possible. But we haven't had a chance to since we moved into the house, guys. But we really need to put those to the wall because my toddler loves playing with the Funkos. That's why I actually put my least favorite ones on the bottom. And my toddler is currently knocking on my door. Here I am cleaning the coffee section. This is where it used to be, nicely in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the other side. Like I said, that's where I had it last Christmas. If you've been here for that long, if you haven't, go ahead and check out those videos. Then I am cleaning the shelves. The way I do this is on one side I actually put stuff that I don't really want my toddler to touch, and on the other side I put the stuff that I don't mind that she touches and plays with, just for safety reasons. No lie, just moving that was a lot. I'm like sweating. Good thing I have my husband's shirt on. So now the plan is to take all my Harry Potter stuff off the top and obviously transition it into Hocus Pocus. So let's see. Now that I'm looking back at this footage, I really think I'm going to do a Harry Potter themed Christmas tree next year because you guys see half of the Funkos. I actually stored the other half last year when I put up the Christmas tree and I never put them back up. Yes, I am using a Nike box, which I actually need to find a box to hold that up. Anyways, here I am gonna go ahead and start fluffing the tree. This tree was like $5 on Amazon. It was like a sale, so I was like, might as well just get it now. I believe Dollar Tree also has one. Here I am putting the bow around it. I am not by any means a pro at this. I honestly just kind of figure it out and do it. I just do this for fun. I love holidays. I love Halloween. I love Christmas. That's actually why I'm leaving this one up for all year round to kind of go with the theme of my room already. All right, guys, I'm gonna actually stop now. I have all this. I think I have to put the fall stuff later on, but I did get the Hocus Pocus stuff out. Note to self, I buy way too much. I didn't even use one of these. I ended up just using one of the light bulbs, the orange ones, half of this. It's okay. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. All right, so this is kind of what it looks like. It's gonna look so much better at nighttime. I need to buy some more of the black kind of like material so they could like cover that. I love how that looks. It's gonna look kind of like the moon in the background, kind of glowing. And then little cauldron, focus cookies, obviously, and then I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. But yeah, I still have like all my fall stuff, but I just wanted to get that at least done, which I absolutely love. I have a huge hot mess, guys, but then I put it over there. I don't love it there. I really want to get those actually across up there, out of the way, out of my daughter's reach. So we'll see when that task my husband and my father-in-law can actually get done. All right, so let me go ahead and clean up the hot mess that I have now in my room as fast as I possibly can. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a video. Stick around for part 2. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so it's actually 2 days after I did this setup, and I already exited out of the video, but my husband and I went to Ross, and then we also went to Spirit Halloween, dangerous. But he actually bought me, let me show you. Okay, are you ready? All right, so this is for the kitchen. So we got this at Ross. It was $3.99. And then also at Ross, he got me, this is $8.99, and it comes with 2 rugs. One, I'm not really sure. I might put both of them in the kitchen, or I might put them right down here. Not 100% sure yet, but they're so cute, and I'm so happy I found them. I think this is like an amazing deal. And then a Spirit Halloween, which I did not think he was going to get me this, but they had a coupon, buy one, get one 50% off. So he got me this, which is Binks. I'm so excited. And then he also got me Winifred statue. Wait, let me see if I can show you. There we go. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm going to actually put that up along here somewhere. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'll show you guys the end result of what it looks like. I'm so excited. All right, and here I am failing at opening the box. But it's so pretty. Look at her. So as I'm looking, I forgot that I did get 2 additional things at Spirit Halloween store. I actually got this. So it's like a light up banner. And then I also got this guy that I think I'm gonna put like right there. Alright, I just had to run outside to the car because we forgot it in the car. So I originally was going to put this on the bottom to kind of cover my other Funkos, like my Harry Potter ones. But honestly, I decided to just go ahead and put it on the wall to just add a little bit more, I don't know, spookiness to it. And I ended up loving it. No lie, guys, I was so scared that I was going to fall this entire time. I was on my tippy toes. So yeah, true story. I risked it all for a video. All right, guys, and this was the final look. Quick little walkthrough. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit when it starts getting closer to Christmas, and add a little bit of a Christmas touch to it. But as right now, I love it. It is perfect, and I'm so happy that I decided to do this. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.